So today in Pointless Pursuits, I have created a Python program to learn some 6502 assembly language and practice it. I'm sure this has been done before, but I thought I'd have a go at doing it from scratch. And to make it more fun, decided to do it on a microbit. So we've got a program here that just sets up some memory. We've got 64 bytes of memory in an array that are all empty. We've got a few opcodes implemented, not all of them. I'm never going to do all the opcodes with the 6502, but I'll just do some core ones. This function here, go, goes through the memory in turn, works out whether it's an instruction or a piece of data, acts accordingly. So this one here will load the following number in the accumulator in the next memory location, and then skip on another memory location. And then we've got a routine to do a program listing and some keyboard input. So let's see how it works. So you can step through. Oh, I'll go back in there so I didn't click in the serial window. If you press enter, it will just step through memory locations and show you their contents. Minus will step back. And then what we can do is we can enter some instructions, and we can do it using mnemonics rather than having to remember the hex. So I'll put a clear carry flag in location 1. Then I'm going to load the accumulator with the next value. I'm going to put 3 in it. And then I am going to do an add carry immediate. So I'm going to add the next number to whatever's in the accumulator. I'm going to add 2 to it. And then I'm going to store whatever's in the accumulator in location 0. And then I can run the program. So if I step back, the go instruction will run from wherever you happen to be. So I'm going to go back to location 1. And then if I type go, looks like nothing happened. But if I type status, we should see the contents of the different flags, different status registers. And we can see the accumulator's now got 5 in it. And if I go back and do a listing now of the whole contents of the memory, scroll back up, we can see that memory location 0 has got the number 5 in it. And we can see the rest of my program there. So there we go, little bit of fun. Going to add some more instructions. I need to get some branch instructions in and see how complicated a program I can create